I'll see you Friday.
See you, sir. Good to see you, sir.
Yeah, see you Friday. All right?
Yes, sir.
Coach.
Sir.
Are you teaching them? You teaching them? You better what to say? You better remember the shit. You better not forget. So they teaching the shit. I'll teach him. Coach. Don't stop now. Go teach him. Alright, shit. Slow down. Follow him. You know, scared. Show him. What was you showing him?
I told him like just speed, you know.
Yeah.
Sure, just even like you're not gonna try to hit. You keep touching the ground.
That's teaching. Go. And then I need to smile.
Videographer, coach.
Always happy. That's the happiest moment
Yes, coach.
Ako, ganahan ko. Para makasumbang na Three downs here.
One die. And
Did you guys?
tomorrow run. And then I'll do it. And then again, I text you where we run. Ice.
Sabi ko, ano, sinadya ko yung coach, sinsuntukin ko dito kasi para di siya makagalaw ba? Kasi lakas ng suntok eh. Sabi ko, para humina yung ano niya, yung hook niya ba, yung hook. Sinsuntok ko dito.
Daya yan.
Dalawa, dito.
Gagawin din yan sa kalaban niya. Hindi pwede yun. Daya yun.
Hindi naman, wala namang referee.
Ha?
Wala namang referee. Hindi, ang totoo, hindi sinadya yun.
Hindi na sinadya yan.
Sinadya, baka sabihin niya.
Kaya ang title ko dito, sabihin ko, Yumer, tinuruan si Wiljo ng daya.